Hey my Roots family, welcome back to my channel. It's me Smart. Thank you so much for my all ruler for showing me so much love and so much support, and thank you so much for all the people who's watching me because of Diana, and thank you so much for the people who's watching me from Russia especially. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're not a part of my channel, you need to subscribe and show me more love and support so I can do more reaction easily, more, and send me more requests on the comment section, okay, so I can react on them. Today I'm here to do reaction on Diana Ankudinova, her new song with some other singer. I don't know what is this, but this is her new performance, so we'll watch and let's see how that will start now. Ooh.
Вот такая у нас жизнь, слава богу, что она возобновляется.
Okay.
Наша творческая жизнь. Все это в первую очередь благодаря вам, потому что пока вы желаете и хотите ходить на концерты, никто и ничто не запретит этого делать, я уверен.
Wow, beautiful song. I don't know about this guy. It's first time I listen him, but I tell you something. He have really great voice. You know, when he sing, I really enjoy. it's like he's matching with Diana. In this song I just close my eyes and I'm listening it. This kind of, I think this is some kind of love song or something, because the feelings I get from the song is some kind of love feeling, emotions and something. It's really so much great. I don't know, but you guys need to let me in the comment section, because I don't know the language but I know the voices. It's really so much beautiful. Music is so great. The way they sing, of course, is one of the best performances I watch. I really love it. This song I just want, like, it will never finish. I just can listen and I just listen and listen, because it's really so much beautiful. The way the song is, like, music is so much great. It's lovely music. Like, you guys can listen the music again and again and again, really continuously, of course. And Diana, she is the greatest singer I ever listened in my life. She is my favorite, and there is no one can who take Diana's place in my heart. She is one of my favorite singer, always. Like Polina, like Diana, they're one of my favorite Russian singers, and I'm trying to do more reaction on other Russian singers. And this is what I want to ask you guys. If you guys can send me more singers, I really want to watch them, and I hope you will send me the songs. If you saw the Diana's expression with this guy when she's singing, the expression is so much great. She's looking on his eyes and singing. It's one of my favorite song is going to be, and I'm going to add it on my favorite playlist. You guys can go and watch all Diana's reaction if you did not watch in my previous videos. I did a lot of Diana's videos. Okay, you guys can go and watch it. I'm going to see you in my next videos, guys. Please go subscribe to my channel, like my video, and don't forget to comment down below any request in the comment section. Okay, love you guys, take care.